Hello friends, welcome back in another video. In this video I will show you how you can make the login form in web form, ASP.NET web form. So I will give you the most simple method and the easiest way by which you can create it. Okay, first what you have to do, you have to open your SQL server. Okay, I am using the SQL server. You can also use SQL server is the best. I prefer SQL server. Okay, wait to open it. Okay, so here we are done. So this is my server name. I give it name dot. Okay, connect. So here this is my server. Okay, in the database there is a database with the name Shiraz, right? So I will create new database. Okay, I click here and then right click and then I get the button new database. I click it. Here you can see, just you have click OK. It is asking us database name. Oh sorry, I forget it. Okay, you have give it any name you want, so I will give it name login form. Okay, I add it. So by mistake I added. I cross it and then again make the new database. So I will give it name login form and then I click on OK. So here it is executing. I get this database login form, so I click on this button and then click on the table. So I have to create a new table for my database. Okay, I right click, then click new, then go to the table. Okay, so what entities you want to include in your table, you have to add them here. I want to include ID, so I will give it type integer. Okay, then I will give username entity, and that is important. Okay, I will select nvr char max and then password, and then I select nvr char max. Okay, so for id what you have to do, you have to make it the primary key. Okay, so from here I make it identity as. What is the advantage of making it primary? So when you, I will show you. Okay, so it is difficult to show you this way. So I press Ctrl S, it will ask to give the name of my table. I give it name users. Okay, I give the table name users. So I refresh it. Here you can see we have the tables users. Okay, so I double click on it and then I select edit top to 100. Okay, so here you can see when I give the username like Shiraz and then password and in the password I will give the password. Okay, so here you can see I get the 1. So when I write the second one I get the 2 here. Okay, I does not need to implement to add the number by myself, it added by the system. Okay, by the database. So this is the advantage of making id. and this is the unique for every user. Okay, so it will help you in selecting the users if you want the particular IDs user. Okay, so then we are done with the our database. So so it doesn't need to close it. Okay, so now I will move to the VS Studio. Okay, so now next step is to make the code. So I will create the new project. So what you have to search ASP.NET web form. Okay, so I scroll down and I get it. Okay, so here I get it, ASP.NET web application.NET framework. Okay, you have to select it, and then it will ask me to give the name of my project. Okay, I will give it name form. Okay, I create it. So it will ask me what type of the form I want, empty or web form. I select empty. Okay, now the project is being created. So here you can see our project is created. Don't get confused with these things. Okay, I will show you. If you don't have toolbox, file explorer, okay, properties, okay, don't get worried. So if you don't have these by default you have these thing in your Visual Studio. If you don't get them, so where you have to click on the view and then click on the solution explorer. Here you will get the solution explorer. So you have to click on the view. Just now we need just on the solution explorer. So what you have to click on this and then go to the head and then click on the new item. So what you have to add the web form. Okay, and it will ask you to give the name of the web form. I will give it the name login form. So I simply add it. So here I get the login form. So I have the 3 files. Okay, in the login form I have 3 files, 1 2 3.